Who's up from the doggy foam party? No hangover for this doggy. Okay, so how you feel in the morning after your first dog rave?
It was fun. I enjoyed it. It was fun to see the owners getting more into it than some of the dogs.
It was a glow-in-the-dark foam party for dogs. Gavin wasn't interested in the foam. He liked the chaos, and he liked checking everybody out to make sure everybody was doing okay.
He was sentry on duty.
Yeah.
One of my friends described him as like a little old man patrolling the perimeter.
He did do that, yeah. It was so cute, but he liked it.
Our boy, though, is still in recovery mode.
There's a dog in the car ahead of us. I hope he doesn't see it. We are going on another relaxing walk today, so stick around and we're going to a different place though. Okay, my mom went into the store real quick before we go on our walk. Well, I thought I would take this time to give a quick monetization update. I am currently at 952 subscribers, so we are getting really close to 1,000. If that isn't you, subscribe. That really helps support the channel. It's really motivating and it helps grow our community. I am 48 subscribers away from the 1,000 subscriber mark. I am currently at 2,800 watch hours, and you need 4,000 watch hours within a 365-day period while maintaining 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized. So that'll be a little bit off. However, based on kind of the trends, I could definitely do that within the next 6 months, which is exciting. And I'm thrilled that this channel is growing in the way that it's growing. One thing to keep in mind if you are new is we are doing a monthly book club this year. Our first book is No One Tells You This by Glynis McNichol. And I'm going to do a live on YouTube on February 15th at noon Eastern time. So read the book if you'd like to come join us. If you don't have time to read the book, join us anyway. Especially since she's been on some podcasts when this book first came out, kind of describing the book, talking about the book. So if you either can't afford the book or you just don't have the time, feel free to listen to a podcast and then hop on the live too. It's about bringing community together. I'm really looking forward to it, plus a little bit nervous, but really looking to continue to build this community of other people who are childless, not by choice, and then who might be single as well. So there you have it. I'm at 952 subscribers and I have 1,200 watch hours to go. Thanks for all of your support.
This way. News, Gav. Hey, Gavin. Come on. Can you sit?
Sit. Sit. Sit.
Good boy. trees remind me of Florida, like these hanging moss trees or whatever. Left. Was that fun, Gav? Was that fun? Yeah, we need to find you some water. What do you need?
Diet Coke
Yeah,
and fries.
I'm getting a McDonald's Coke. I know, look how cute he is. He needs some water. We're getting Gavin some water. They did have water there, which we did give him, but he needs more. All right, we've just been hanging out at home. We're gonna watch a little Death in Paradise, which is on BritBox to end the evening. Gavin has been wiped out since we got home. He's had a busy weekend. Thanks for joining us on a relaxing Sunday, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.